Right, and India's March CPI will be announced today at 5:30 p.m. along with the February IIP numbers. And CPI is more important since it drives, remember, the RBI's interest rate policy. All eyes have been on that one. Lata Venkatesh is here with what the street expects from the numbers today. Lata.
Well, the big number to watch out for, the March CPI, is, according to our poll, expected to come in at 5.63%. A very good number compared to the previous month, February, which was a shocker of 6.44%. A word on why it is as low as 5.63 compared to last month. Because a year ago, if you remember, March was the month of the Ukraine war. So inflation had shot up from about 5% in February to 6.95 in March of 22. And even April, it went on to 7.79. So the high base is going to help us. The high base of edible oils and cereals prices will make March of 2023 look benign. But coming back to the 2023 numbers, February was a shocker, I told you, largely because of food. There was some recalculation by the NSO, rearranging of weights, but importantly, milk was a shocker. And the expectation is that in the current month, under review, March as well, milk may still inch up higher because we've heard a lot of dairy companies announcing higher prices for March and for April. Sugar could be a bit of a bother because we're seeing those prices inch up, as are pulses. I mean, they're likely to remain steady. But the positives are expected to come from cereals. Heat waves notwithstanding, the arrivals from the mandis are reportedly good. So we should see that one coming down. In core, which is largely services, you count something called personal services. And surprising as it may seem, gold is calculated under personal services. Now, gold prices went up for international reasons, and that may keep the core inflation as high as it was in the previous month. But if it is 5.63, the RBI will be vindicated. If it is anything closer to 6, the RBI's pause will be questioned.
All right, Lata, thanks a lot for that. So that is the big number to track for our own